caramel slice. It's one of those things that I can't resist, particularly when I'm on the road going past one of those country bakeries. And Janelle's here to show us her version, slightly different to the norm.
Slightly different because I've got one extra additional ingredient, two actually in this one, Biscoff, and my special addition is some treacle. So I'm going to start by just adding in my condensed milk to make that caramel filling. While I'm doing this, do you mind starting on the base for me?
Absolutely.
So I've got some Biscoff crumbs that are already crushed, and we're going to add just melted butter. Very, very simple and easy.
Okay, so these are the Biscoff biscuits that you can find at all your supermarkets.
Everywhere.
Okay, and then some melted butter.
Yeah, and just mix that all around and then just add it into a pan and just press it down so it's nice and even.
Okay, do that for you.
So I've added the butter, I've got brown sugar in there as well. And then I'm also going to add in the Biscoff spread because we're making a Biscoff caramel slice.
Already this smells so good, that biscuity smell. And look, it should look like this, which is just like, I guess, wet sand.
Yeah, pretty much. Makes it easy to press in.
Okay, there it goes. There we go.
So I'm just going to mix this around until it's really nice and smooth, and then of course I want to make sure that it bubbles. That's going to ensure that it sets when it goes into the oven.
Okay.
So while you are patting all of that down, I'm just going to grab the treacle. So this is a bit of an interesting ingredient that I like to add in. It's going to give it a really nice molasses flavour. Kind of reminds me of gingerbread. And it just gives it a really nice flavour and colour, and I prefer that over golden syrup.
Yep, I hear you. I agree with you too. So this is pressed in nicely.
Beautiful, thank you for that. That looks perfect. Right, so I think our caramel's ready now. That's exactly what you want. You want all the little bubbles on the edge there to know that it's ready, and it's pulling away really nicely. So we're ready to pour it. This is really, really hot.
Step away.
So I'm just going to pour that over. Beautiful.
It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It is. It really is. So just evenly smushing it out. Give it a tap so it's nice and even. And then I'll get you to put that in the oven.
Okay, and how long is that going to bake for?
It should only be about 10 to 15 minutes max, just until it looks really nice and browned a little bit on the top and it's all bubbly, and then take it out.
Great.
All right, so our slice has been baked and chilled completely. So you take it out of the oven, let it kind of go to room temp, and then I put mine in the fridge until it's fully chilled, because you don't want to put any chocolate on it while it's still hot. And I'm just working on the topping here. So I put white chocolate in. I'm just going to put some Biscoff in. This is my little addition. It also helps with slicing, so it's not too firm. And of course, it's a Biscoff slice, so we need it.
Exactly. So Biscoff is the biscuit, but they also make this spread, which is addictive.
Which is good. We've got it in the caramel. We're putting it on the topping, and then we're going to top it with extra Biscoff biscuits. I actually like using the biscuits because it acts as a guideline so that I can slice through it and you get a perfect little brick.
Oh, she's clever, this Janelle. And that melts in really easily to that white chocolate. Oh, that in itself is just such a treat.
You could just drink it, right?
It's very good.
All right, so I've got my crunchy Biscoff in here. You can also do smooth, but maybe texture's really good in this because you're going to cover it with all the biscuits anyway.
Okay.
So that's pretty much ready. I'll pour this over, and you've got to be really quick to add the biscuits on top.
Okay.
Because it's chilled, so that chocolate and Biscoff is going to start setting up.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So we've got our little river of Biscoff. I'm going to start spreading it with my spoon.
I think this is going to be quite popular.
I think so.
All right, biscuits. So just next to each other like that?
Just lay them next to each other.
Okay.
All right, so once we've finished adding all of those little biscuits nice and snug next to each other, we're going to add that into the fridge for about 5 minutes just so that the chocolate can set, and then we can pretty much start slicing them up.
Fantastic.
All right, so it's come back from the fridge. It's all nice and set now. And we're just going to take it out. Beautiful. And I think we can start slicing. So this is why it's important that you lay those little Biscoff biscuits like that, because then it just cuts like a brick. Let's see if it cuts nicely.
And this is like child's play for you because you actually have a cake decorating business.
I do, Sassy Sprinkles.
Yes, I love the name of it. You are so sassy.
I am. I just don't carry sprinkles around with me, unfortunately. Maybe I should.
I was hoping you'd bring sprinkles for the caramel slice.
I should have. Remind me next time. All right, so we've got all of that sliced up.
Yeah.
And we've got little bricks. Look at that.
That's fantastic. You can see that's just makes life so much easier when you're cutting. You don't have to think about making it perfect.
Exactly, portion control, right?
And then we're just going to line them up. They look so professional, as you are indeed.
Yes. Well, this is the quality for sassy sprinkles.
And just have a look at the layers there. We've got the Biscoff layer, we've got the caramel, we've got the white chocolate topping, more biscuit on top.
Yep.
Time to have a taste?
Have a taste. Have a go.
There's many, many recipes out there for caramel slice, all slightly different. This one's the best.
The sassy sprinkles way.